Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate your house and adopt me step by step. I cannot walk you through exploits or cheating methods, but I can help with legitimate alternatives and practical tips. I will show fair ways to increase your in-game assets, trade responsibly, and improve your house legitimately. Stick with methods that respect game rules to protect your account and make the game more fun for everyone. If you want more houses or items, focus on legitimate paths that build your collection over time. Join seasonal events, complete challenges, and use trading systems that follow the game rules. Learn market values before trading and be patient with saving for upgrades. These methods grow your ownership without risking bans or account loss, and they help you enjoy the game while staying part of a friendly community who values fair play. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that makes drives nicer. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support future content and tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Account safety matters more than short-term gains from exploits, so prioritize secure habits. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never reveal your login details to others. Be wary of third-party offers promising duplication or free items, as they often lead to scams or bans. If you suspect hacking or unfair trades, contact support and report the user. Keeping your account safe preserves everything you earn legitimately in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.